Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay, so keep dividing up the body into blocks. Good. And the next one. Yes. Okay.
So, like, no angles, just...
Yeah, just cubes. Just cubes. So this is just an exercise I'm doing just to get you to start to see edge flow. Yeah. And then the leg itself.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Now, on the arm, you've missed out a folded muscle. You can see on the forearm, you've got two muscles. It's not just one block, it's two muscles. So what I want you to do, yeah, that's good. Yeah. And what I want you to do is start drawing lines across. So do you see where your main arm muscle